analysis based on machine learning. So we start our project by importing necessary libraries, then we import the dataset. The dataset we found on Kaggle. This is how a dataset looks like. We get a basic overview of the data over here. Uh, then we start to visualize our data. We start with a pair plot. This pair plot is nothing but a scatter plot. Then we have done multiple visualizations to get a good understanding of the data. Then, as we know that in our dataset we have lots of missing values, so we have to take care of the missing values first. Then we handle the missing values in our dataset by imputation. So after the imputation completed, as you can see, we don't have any missing values in our dataset. Now we're going to calculate the air quality index. To calculate the air quality index, we have to calculate the individual pollutant index for every pollutant. So we have the formula we have used over here and the function to calculate the individual air pollutant index for sulfur dioxide. And we have done the same thing for nitrogen dioxide and RSPM and SPM. So after getting the individual pollutant index, we can now calculate the AQI. Based on the individual pollutant index, we have used the function over here to calculate that. So as you can see, we have a new feature that is AQI. After that, we classify the air quality based on the AQI range using the function. Now we are going to apply machine learning models on our dataset. So we have used regression model first to predict the AQI range. We apply a linear regression and it gives 98% of accuracy. Then we have used some other regression model, and one of them is overfitting, and a random forest is giving a pretty good accuracy on our dataset. Then we have applied classification algorithms on our dataset. So logistic regression gives us 70%, over 70% of the accuracy. Then we use some other algorithm, and some of them are overfitting, and then we applied KNN, and the KNN is giving a pretty good accuracy on our model. So we have successfully built our machine learning models. Now we try to test the model. We try to predict the air quality. Over here, we have used the KNN model. So we have given some random values here. These random values are nothing but the individual pollutant index, SOI, NOI, RPI, SPMI. So we try to run the code and let's see what output we get. This random values goes as the user input. So let's run this couple of code. Okay, it says moderate. That means the air quality is moderate based on these values. Then we try to predict for this one, and it says saying good. The air quality is good for these values, and then we try to run this, and it says poor. So as you can see, we have successfully built our machine learning model to predict the air quality, and it's giving a pretty good accuracy.